Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to find your deleted post on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap at that two lines to go to the menu section and tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, just scroll down until you get the option of activity log. Just simply tap at activity log option. In activity log, you can see a trash option. Just simply tap at trash. In the trash option, you will find all of your deleted posts on Facebook. So if you want to restore them, you can select them by all, just tapping on it, and you can select them one by one like in this way. So if you want to restore them, just simply tap at restore. If you want to delete them, just simply tap on that three dots and tap at delete and tap delete to continue. Once you tap on delete, it will ask for your password. You'll have to give your password and you're done for deleting your posts. So if you want to archive them, just simply tap at archive. All these posts are archived. Now how to find your archive? Just simply come back and tap at archive. So here you can see your archive posts on Facebook, deleted archive post. So that's how you can easily find your deleted post on Facebook. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.